Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on one device on your Redmi Note 12 Pro. So if you have your first WhatsApp account and you need the second one for the work, for example, with separated contacts, separated numbers, I'm gonna show you a quick tip for you. Go to the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp, but not for normal app, just look for the WhatsApp Business. Just install it, and how you can see, now I have two WhatsApp app in one device. So that was our first method. The second one, go to the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them, like this one. Now open, agree the terms, and allow permission. Now just open the WhatsApp and the whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the second WhatsApp account. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.